I was young, I've been very hard to please, and I don't know wrong from right. But there is one thing I could never understand: some of the things that a girl does to a man. So I'm just sitting on a fence. You can't say I got no sense. Trying to make up my mind really is too horrifying. So I'm sitting on a fence. All of my friends at school grew up and settled down, and they mortgaged up their lives. One thing might say too much, but I think it's true. They just get married 'cause there's nothing else to do. So I'm just sitting on a fence. You can't say I got no sense. Trying to make up my mind really is too horrifying. So I'm sitting on a fence. They can come and get too old and sick and tired of life. You just never realize. Maybe the choice you made wasn't really right, but you go out and don't come back at night. So I'm just sitting on a fence. You can't say I've got no sense. Trying to make up my mind really is too horrifying. So I'm sitting on a fence. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a Sore Fingers back with you again for hopefully another lesson that will be coming up very shortly. This is my playthrough for a song called Sittin' on a Fence from the Rolling Stones, all the way back to 1967 from an album called Flowers. Okay, really good strumming exercise, this one. Hope you enjoyed that, and please excuse the singing, it's just for reference only. Okay. So there we have it, boys and girls. So if you like that, then please press the like button, and if you want to know when I put up the lesson, which will be in a couple of days, press the subscribe button, and you'll get notified when I start loading up videos. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening to me, and I'll see you shortly. Bye for now.